Hey guys, Josh Gibbons here, welcome back to a new video. As you can tell by the title, I received my sample for the bundle item that I'm actually going to be having to order ASAP and get sent across to my main supplier. So, let's sit down for a second. Here it is. I've had to obviously cover up all the codes and stuff. DHL, always great. So, yeah, if you haven't already kind of been watching my journey, at this point in time, I've been researching a product for ages. Like, I knew I wanted to get in this many months ago. I went to add the listing and it got put into a hazmat review. And during that time, and by the way, it's still not cleared after like 2 months. During this time, I was kind of thinking about how I can really make the value of my product the best. So when I launch it, I want it to be the best on the market. So I arranged a bundle. I started negotiating with suppliers for a bundle item, which by the way is perfect for the customers. They won't have to spend time looking for this other item because